Good morning student. Today my topic name is work and energy. Energy. The ability to do work is called energy. To perform any activity like playing, reading and sleeping, we need energy. Even machines need energy to work. हमें अपना हर काम करने के लिए एनर्जी की बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत होती है. Energy cannot be created or destroyed. Forms of energy can, however, be interchanged. For example, a light bulb will light up when it is provided with electricity, which is a form of energy. Types of energy. एनर्जी कई तरह की होती है, जैसे मैकेनिकल एनर्जी, हीट एनर्जी, लाइट एनर्जी, साउंड, इलेक्ट्रिक, केमिकल, विंड, सोलर एंड हाइड्रो एनर्जी. Mechanical energy. Energy is an object due to its position and its motion is called mechanical energy. Mechanical energy can be of two types, kinetic energy and potential energy. Kinetic energy वो एनर्जी होती है जो the energy of an object due to its motion is called kinetic energy. Examples: a moving bus, moving cycle, running boy, etc. Potential energy. The energy stored in a body due to its position is called potential energy. The water stored in a tank above the roof has a potential energy as it is stored at a height. Heat energy. Energy that we get from heat is called heat energy. This energy is produced by the burning fuels like a coal, LPG and kerosene. We use heat energy to cook food. Heat energy is the internal energy in substances generated by the movement of atoms and molecules in substances. Heat energy is also called thermal energy. When we rub our palms together, heat energy is generated due to friction. Light energy. Energy that we get from light is called light energy. It is produced by bulb, CFL, candles, etc. We are able to see with the help of light energy. Objects such as the sun, star and candle flame जो होते हैं वो give off their own light which is known as direct light. इनकी ये direct light देते हैं. They radiate light because they are very hot. When direct light from one object is bounced off another object, it is known as reflected light. For example, the moon reflects the light from the sun. Materials that allow light to pass through them are known as transparent materials. We can clearly see through such objects, example a clear glass. Light energy. Materials that do not allow light to pass through them are known as opaque materials. We cannot see through an opaque object. Translucent material such as butter allow some light to pass through them. We can see through them partially. Sound energy. It is produced when an object starts vibrating. For example, the string of guitar vibrates to produce sound. Vibration moving through air are known as sound waves. It is when sound waves reach our ears that we hear sound. Sound can only travel through matter. It cannot travel in outer space. Electric energy. The energy that we get from electric current is called electrical energy. Electric energy is the flow of electrical power or charge. We use electricity every day to generate heat, light and power to run electrical appliances like a television and washing machine. Electric energy. Electricity is a form of energy. Electricity can be produced using solar energy, wind, petrol, coal, water, oil, natural gas and chemicals. Conductors. Conductors क्या होते हैं? Materials that allow electricity to flow through them are called conductors. इनके एग्जाम्पल्स हैं कॉपर एंड सिल्वर. Insulators, materials that do not allow electricity to flow through them are called insulators. Example, rubber and wood. Chemical energy. Chemical energy is energy stored in the molecules of any substance. It is the energy that holds these particles together. Biomass, petroleum, natural gas and propane are examples of stored chemical energy. We consume carbohydrates as a food. Carbohydrate molecules also store energy. Body cells obtain this stored energy by a process called respiration. Some of this stored potential energy becomes kinetic energy used for cell functions and muscles movement. Some of it also becomes internal heat energy that keeps the body warm. Wind energy. The energy that we get from wind is called wind energy. It is used to generate electricity by using a windmill. Solar energy. Energy that we get from the sun is called solar energy. Solar energy is used to cook food in solar cookers and to heat water in solar cookers and to heat water in solar heaters, etc. It is also used in solar calculators and solar watches. हाइड्रो एनर्जी. पानी से उत्पन्न एनर्जी को हाइड्रो एनर्जी कहा जाता है. The flowing water of rivers is an imported source of energy. The energy of flowing water generates electricity in hydroelectric power plants. The electric energy so generated is called hydroelectricity. Work. Work is the application of force over any distance. Work is said to be done if the force applied on an object makes the object move in direction of the force. Moving objects by pushing, pulling and lifting are different forms of work. For example, आप देखो, when you push a table and it moves in the direction of applied force, then work is done. When you push a wall with all the force you have and there is no change in its position, then no work is done. Simple machines. A simple machine is a device that makes our work easier and faster. Scissors, knives, tweezers are some examples of simple machines. Simple machine reduces the force to be applied. They allow us to overcome a force at one place by enabling the force to be applied elsewhere. Types of simple machine. There are 6 simple machines: inclined plane, lever, pulley, screw, wedge and the wheel and axle. इंक्लाइंड प्लेन कैसी मशीन्स होती हैं? ये होती हैं हमारी अ सिंपल मशीन दैट हैज अ स्लोपिंग सरफेस इज कॉल्ड एन इंक्लाइंड प्लेन. फॉर एग्जांपल रैम्प, स्लाइड, अ वाइंडिंग अप हिल्स रोड एक्सेट्रा. लीवर. A simple machine that turns around a fixed point is called a lever. A lever helps to do more work by applying less force. This makes our work easier. It consists of 3 parts: load, effort and fulcrum. इसमें लोड क्या होता है हमारा? जो the object on which work is to be performed is called load. Effort, the force applied on a lever to lift the load is called effort. And fulcrum, the fixed point on which a lever turns is called fulcrum. इनके एग्जाम्पल जैसे हमारी बोतल ओपनर हो गई, रोड, अ सीसा, अ क्लॉ हैमर. पुले. It is difficult to lift a bucket full of water from a well, but you can do this easily when you use a pulley. It uses grooved wheels and a rope to raise, lower or move a load. Work is made easier because pulling down on a rope is easier than lifting a weight. Examples are flagpole and blinds. Screw. A screw is an inclined plane wound around a rod. A screw looks like a nail with grooves cut into it. It has a winding edge called a thread. To insert a screw in a wood, it is screwed in by turning it round and round with a screwdriver. Less force is required to insert a screw in the wood than a nail. The screw can hold things together tightly. Example, screw jack and screw. वेज वेज हमारी इस तरह की सिंपल मशीन होती है जो कि वी शेप पीस जनरली मेड ऑफ मेटल. इट हैज टू inclined plane put together to form a sharp edge. It is used to cut and split things. Example, an axe, blade and knife. Wheel and axle. A wheel with a rod attached to it. It is known as a wheel and axle arrangement. Example, a screwdriver, a sewing machine, a toy car and a doorknob. Complex machines. Complex and compound machines are a combination of two or more simple machines working together. जैसे हमारी scissors. The two arms of a pair of scissors are levers. The cutting edge of the scissor blades are wedges. Second, corkscrew. The handle at the top is a wheel and axle. The spiral metal piece that screw into the cork is a screw. The two side arms that are pushed down are two levers. Third, can opener. The handle that makes the can rotate is a wheel and axle. The two long arms that clamp the can are a lever. The circular wheel that cuts the can lid has a sharp edge, a wedge. Thank you. Make sure to subscribe. Please like कीजिए. Be happy and be safe.